20 minutes.
Alright.
Hold
Yo,
on.
the time we were looking for the stop, we could have just walked over there. Connor. What is that? So I'm assuming.
This timer?
Yep.
I'm pretty sure it's a temperature regulator.
Ah.
Which stop are we getting on? Terminal B or Terminal C?
Which one does the Q70 stop at?
Both.
Then we'll get off the last stop. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna sit over here. Oh, Bronx bus map.
Are you gonna upload this with the other Orions on my computer?
Here for saltine cracker. It's just a cracker with salt.
870s? Roman 870s. Alright.
At the MTA, your safety is our top priority.
Absolutely not.
I got raped.
Oh. Yeah, it's like super tough doing the absolute not to the job thing.
Standing to stay behind the white line and strap. Never rush an exit on the opposite lane. Your cooperation helps prevent injuries and keeps you safe. Thank you for riding with the MTA.
What are these roads? Now you can see the yellow past like
Where we flying?
something.
270. Where is that? Where is that? Orion?
Take that to the bar.
You go on that one.
Please exit through the rear door.
My box ride was 20 minutes long. It's actually fairly short. There's your transfer to Houston.
That's like from my house to Elsinville Transit Center with the 74. Alright, front. They didn't have any?
We,
You get it on when you scan.
we get a free transfer and scan.
Is that the Orion? Nope.
No, it's not it.
Alright.
Hey, where is the Q7?